this is literally the fastest editor on console, my guy. You can literally challenge Rift, my guy. Like, look at this. My guy. Oh my god, bro. Fastest editor on console. Oh my god, man. This kid's insane. I don't
And
know.
I'm only 8 years old, too.
But I don't know if somebody's playing with him for him, but I don't care. He's still the fastest editor, bro. Let me change the
No,
map.
nobody's taught me. I've taught myself. Oops, sorry.
It's alright. Yeah, I can hear. I can hear your controller.
Yeah. Want to hear it again? It's I have the new Xbox. Oh, watch this.
Yeah. What's up?
Watch. Look. Sometimes I can film myself like that.
Oh yeah, I was playing a game called 1v1 LOL. I can literally float myself.
My edits on walls?
Yeah, let's see it. Oh my god. Hold on, let me take off my builds.
I think I need to keyboard. Okay, let this go to full HP and I'll make it invisible for us.
Yeah, okay.
I made 5 things invisible in a day.
I'm making a video, and you can go look at my video of you editing fast. Oh yeah, I forgot.
Right, ready?
Yeah. I forgot. Every time I edit, I forget you have to make it 1 HP.
Oopsies, I just made that one work. Yeah, but if you want to make it invisible and stay invisible, you gotta make it to 1 HP.
Alright. Let me...
I can make stairs invisible.
I forgot how to. Yeah. Weapons.
Here, let me get this to 1 HP.
Just get a pistol.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, it's kind of hard. Get them at 1 HP without breaking them.
No, don't shoot it.
I'm not. It's good, it's good.
Alright, get up there. Get up.
Over here.
Stand right there.
Alright. Yo, this kid is so fast, bro. And he's on the sticks, bro. Oh my god, like.
Hey, you wanna sit on there again? I mean, not gonna lie, you're kinda slow. Not trying to
Yeah, I know.
Look how slow I am when I edit with a gun out. Watch. Look how slow I am.
Oh my god.
Okay, whatever. Never mind.
You wanna run some duos?
Why? I mean, you wanna see me in an edit course?
Imagine you could float people in game.
I've done that before to my duo.
But
I made it invisible. I've tried to make people float, but they didn't want to. But I made it invisible, and they were just keep on looking at it. Want to see me free build real quick?
Yeah. Do you have a YouTube channel or anything?
No.
Okay. No, you need to make a YouTube. You need to start streaming on Twitch because you're like the fastest editor. You should start streaming on Twitch on your Xbox.
Yeah, but I'm too young. I'm only 8 years old.
Oh yeah.
Look, I'll do an edit then real quick.
Alright, bro. I can't even free build.
Brave.
I can't edit either.
Brave.
Bro, he's way better than me. When I'm not warmed up, I can't even free build. No cap. I just got on Fortnite.
Is an 8-year-old faster than you?
Yeah. Of course he
Okay,
is.
watch. I'll do a whole edit then. Ready? Watch. And I probably mess up one time. Ready? Come here.
I'm trying to build a pyramid. Okay, I'm coming.
Ready?
Bro, I'm done with this game, bro.
Look, watch. Oops, I messed up.
It's alright.
Alright, let's go back to Hub and do an edit course.
Alright, bet.
Are you gonna spectate me or?
No, I'm just gonna challenge you in edit course.
I probably suck at edit course.
Yeah, it's alright. I'm just looking for the thing that's the map. I think it's that way. Let's just do an edit course. Yeah, these are here. I think I still have the edit course. Oh, but it's not it. This right here. I think this is it. Yes, sir. Okay. Penalty.
I have everything in the Fortnite items off.
No, you don't. You don't have the bot or anything like that, do you? Or do you have?
The bomb? Yes, I do. I have every single thing.
Oh.
Shit.
Legit. No wonder. No wonder, bro.
Oh, this one's easy. I'm already going to max.
Yeah, I can go to impossible. But since you're going to impossible, I'll do very hard.
Already half down.
How you know he's the fastest editor, man?
Can you hear my controller?
Yeah, well, a little bit. I can't really hear it, controller because I'm editing. You can see him on the left corner of my screen editing. He's like,
I'm done already.
hey, what, man? What do you mean? The fastest editor on console. I'm literally gonna do
I'm
this.
done.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the easy.
Here, I'll do math.
I'm better at edit ups.
What if I come back and beat you?
I'm better at edit ups, to be honest. Okay, I'm finished edit ups. Okay, I'll do hard, you do medium, or I'll do medium and you do hard. Which one?
I'm already done with this one.
Okay.
How long did that take me?
Oh, I'm not even sure. What? Okay, let's do this one. You do.
I'm gonna do impossible.
Yeah, go ahead and do impossible.
Hold on, let me get my hands ready. Damn, bro. My hands hurt now.
Of course. They're supposed to. You're playing on controller. They're supposed to hurt. My hands are starting to hurt. My hands are
You
starting.
want me to see me on? You want to see my edits on keyboard?
Sure, why not?
To be honest, they're so slow.
Yeah, I imagine that.
I'm doing walls.
I'm doing
Do you actually think I'm the fastest editor on console?
Well, you're one of the fastest editors on console. It's 60
It's
FPS.
so slow.
What? To be honest, there's supposed to be edit delay on console, and like.
There's none for me. Okay, I'm already done with the walls. That's easy.
My hands hurt now.
Okay, that only took me half a minute.
I was doing.
Look, it took me a half a minute for this.
My hands hurt. That's all I'm gonna tell you. Fastest. You're like the fastest editor right now. I don't really do walls.
Right,
To be honest, to really tell you, I
walls.
don't even do walls. Dude. So I'm
I'm going to impossible.
very bad at walls.
Come watch me in impossible. Since Look how easy this is.
After I do the walls.
I'm already halfway done.
I'm just trying to get faster at editing. I have to get used to editing and pressing the button constantly.
I'm already done with impossible. Damn.
He said, damn.
Okay. It took me a minute.
I can't edit.
4 minutes and 10 seconds. Look how fast I did the impossible. Watch. Look. Come here.
Don't shoot at me. You're lucky.
Look how fast it took me. I didn't even mess up a single time.
Yeah, I messed up a few times.
You think that's impossible how I do that on controller?
No. But it is amazing. Rift, really, you're like on Rift's level. Well, not on Rift's level of editing, but you're on one of his levels of editing.
I'll do this one. Which one is this?
Bro, I literally pressed E, I swear.
Oh my god! I am so fast down! Oh my god! Jesus Christ! Look how fast I'm going in this. Oh, the one I'm doing, bro. I'm nailing through this. This is so easy.
I'm sure you are.
Okay, I'm already done.
Hold on. Come here. Let's do these. I don't know what these are, but let's do
Okay, I'll go on one.
I'll go on two.
Okay, let's see. Hold on. Let me get my hands ready. Don't start yet.
No, it's starting itself.
Don't start. Okay, bye.
Bye. I'm spamming so much.
I'm already done.
Bro,
Are you speechless?
Yes, I am speechless.
Not the fastest ever. I'm slow.
I'm not, bro, I'm slow.
I'm slow.
I'm finished.
Who? I won.
Jeez.
So, geez, I'm gonna go on this one. Let's go. I'm gonna go on one, and then you go on two.
Okay. Let me get a 5-second head start. By the way, let me get a head start. Okay, you can start editing now.
Okay. Okay, all this speed. Walking around.
Bro,
I'm already done.
Bro, it's trust. I'm literally editing this, and let me take out my builds. It might let me edit faster.
That was so easy.
Yeah, it was easy, bro, but for me,
Try to go in one.
I can't.
I'm stuck here.
Well,
Dang. Who finished? Oh.
can you do retakes?
Yeah?
Tell me your retakes. I'll just break
Watch
that.
this.
Alright.
Okay, I'm gonna go on to medium. Medium, alright. You wanna come in here with me and do it? Come in here with me.
Where?
Do it.
Hold on, my fault. My
medium.
mouse is off my
Medium.
mouse pad. Okay, let me go at medium.
Let's go in the medium. Ready? Come here.